Hey, real quick, I just want to say this.
Penis.
Never fucking film around your fucking dickhead friends. What a cocksucker. Anyhow, I just wanted to say right quick, I got bunch of new parts on this thing, and I couldn't be happier with it. Ray Shane jumper at TCP and Jody Ogle at TCP. They got me fixed up with a new subframe from TCP, a new 1000 diff in there, Keller ball joints, and the adapter for the Super ATV A-arms. Both those worked fucking great today. And then I got a clutch kit from Russell Coker at 3P, and that thing is lots of torque, man. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to get some bigger tires now. That thing did great mixed with my gear reduction in my training. And then Turner Eagle axles, those did great too. I didn't break nothing. I didn't break no fucking front diffs. That was great. Didn't break no axles. That's great always. So anyways, yeah, lots of new parts. Pretty soon I will be putting on the rock lights from Millar Lights and the whips from Woody's Whips, or Woody's Lights I mean. Anyhow, I just wanted to say thanks. None of that could have been possible without my fucking friends and family at DFW ATV and TCP, Turner, 3P, all that shit, man. I couldn't be happier with it. Did great today. This is back in Florida, so everything worked great. I'll have some new video coming soon. Who's this? Oh, this is that boy, street tires. I told you had street tires. Anyhow, wild shit you see out here.
Yeah!
Get it, boy!
Got a bear? Hey, I added to your entertainment, I'll at least get a bear.
I don't have any. I got.
Whose Ford is that?
Mine?
That's your Ford?
Yeah.
I'll trade you.
What's that?
I'll trade you.
No.
I'm a Ford.
Not in a million years.
Hey, I'm a Ford. What's it got in the 17?
Yeah.
Oh my god. You got turbo on it?
Yeah.
Oh fuck, man.
It got stuck as fuck earlier.
I mean, fuck, you pull up to the strip club, your pennies are gone.
That's a true story.
Yeah.
All right, man. Take care.
Alright, you too.
That's bonus footage right there.
Learning.